In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set availability hours in Acuity scheduling. If you've been looking to manage your time more efficiently or tweak your calendar to better suit your needs, you're in the right place. Let's dive into making those adjustments and ensuring your schedule perfectly aligns with what you need. First things first, we'll start by logging into your Acuity account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to look around at the various options available. Our focus today will be on the left side of your screen. Notice the tab labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on that. This section will display your current working schedule. It's like getting a bird's eye view of your professional availability. Once you're in the Availability section, you'll see all your existing schedules neatly laid out. Now let's say, for instance, you need to override specific parts of your schedule. Perhaps you're thinking of closing a particular day, like an upcoming Friday. To do this, you simply delete the schedule for that day. Once you've deleted it, the day will be automatically marked as closed, indicating you're unavailable. It's really that straightforward. Sometimes, though, you might not want to close an entire day, but adjust available hours for a specific date. Imagine you need to make changes for a special event, or perhaps you're attending a conference on Thursday, October 30th. In such cases, you can modify your schedule for just that day. Simply delete or adjust the times as needed to reflect your availability accurately. You have total control. Once you've made your desired changes, there's one final and crucial step, clicking on Save Regular Hours. This action will apply all the updates you've made, ensuring your schedule reflects those changes. Remember, if you don't click Save, all your edits will remain unsaved, and you'd have to do it all over again. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to set availability hours in Acuity scheduling. It's a great tool to help manage your time effectively, outline your availability, and ensure your clients or colleagues know when you're free to meet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips. And if you want to stay updated on our latest content, make sure to hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.